Good morning. It's the news on Wake Up Nigeria. I am Mike Messikeno. There's been an improvement in crude oil production in the wake of renewed efforts of security agencies to curb crude theft and pipeline vandalism. Director of Defense Media Operations, Major General Edward Buba, who disclosed this, said security forces will sustain the offensive to shore up oil production. Sifon Essien reports.
Opportunity for the military authorities to provide updates on operations across the country. Director of Defense Media Operations, Major General Edward Buba, provides the details according to the activities in the various theaters.
During the week under review, troops neutralized 147 terrorists and arrested 381 of them. We also arrested 23 perpetrators of oil theft and rescued 113 kidnapped hostages during the period under review.
As for crude oil production, he says there's been a substantial improvement in output. According to the military, crude oil production has increased as a result of its renewed effort in curbing illegal bunkering and pipeline vandalism.
Already we have recorded noticeable improvement in the nation's crude oil production. And this is indicative of the fact that we are on the right track, but we are not going to rest on our oars. We are going to push forward. We are going to sustain the momentum until the nation's crude oil production quota, OPEC quota, is reached.
The efforts are beginning to show result, with Nigeria's crude output recently increasing from 1.2 million barrels per day to 1.61 million barrels per day. The federal government is now targeting 2.2 million barrels per day. While progress is being made, the battle against crude oil theft and pipeline vandalism is far from over. Sifon Essien, TVC News, Abuja.
Sweden has now confirmed Europe's first case of the more dangerous variant of Mpox, which is spreading rapidly in Africa after the World Health Organization declared a global public health emergency. Sweden's public health agency said a person who sought care in Stockholm has been diagnosed with Mpox, caused by the Clade 1 variant. It is the first case caused by Clade 1 to be diagnosed outside the African continent. The World Health Organization on Wednesday declared Mpox a global public health emergency for the second time in 2 years, following an outbreak of a new variant called Clade 1b in Democratic Republic of Congo that has quickly spread to other countries. The patient had traveled to a country hit by an outbreak of the virus. Jacob Forsmed, Sweden's Minister of Social Affairs, told the press conference Mpox spreads by physical contact and causes a characteristic lumpy rash, fever, aches, and pains. It can be fatal. There are two types of Mpox, Clade 1 and Clade 2. While Clade 2 caused a public health emergency in 2022, it was relatively mild and has already appeared in Sweden. The President of the Confederation of African Football, Dr. Patrice Motsepe, will attend the funeral of the former CAF President Issa Hayatou later today.